class 11th and 12th mathematics code is 041. Your mathematics code is 041. So here it is given that two terms will be given to you. In the class 11th, see here, course structure I am going to explain to you. In the course structure, class 11th, you are going to have the term 1. In the term 1, one paper will be conducted in the month of November, December only. In the month of November, December only. So here, be careful that we need to complete the term 1 before the November. Before the November. That means we are having the only September, October, and November if it is included, means in the month of November ending, if you are taking only 2.5 months, you can consider 2.5 months time is there. Within that, you need to complete the sets and the functions, which includes the 11 marks. From the sets and the functions, 11 marks will be given to you, and algebra, which includes what are the chapters included. This is a unit. This is not chapter name, this is a unit name. Algebra में 13 marks are there, coordinate geometry 6 marks, and calculus 4 marks, statistics and probability 6 marks, total 40 marks. 40 marks के लिए there will be an objective type of the assessment will be there in the term 1, as it was informed by the CBSE. So no chapter wise weightage care to be taken, cover the all the chapters. So under the sets and functions, the two chapters, sets and as well as relations and functions is there. Under the sets and their representation, empty sets, finite set, that means types of the sets, and subset of a set on a real number, especially intervals with the notations. Open interval, closed interval will be there, and power set, universal set, Venn diagrams, and union and intersection of the sets. So in this in your textbook, and in the sets usually difference of the two sets will be there. That is not mentioned here. That is deleted from the syllabus. That means difference of the sets A minus B also will be there in your textbook. Textbook में है वो deleted है. It is not mentioned in the syllabus. Difference of the test sets and symmetric difference also will be there. A delta B. So the points, whatever it is, as we are having the very less time, better you concentrate on the syllabus, whatever it is given to you. So this syllabus sheet will be given to you in your Google Classroom. Okay. So relations, second chapter, relations and functions. In this, we are going to have the ordered pair Cartesian product of the sets, number of elements in the Cartesian product of the two sets, and of a set of the real numbers itself only. Definition of the relation, pictorial diagram, domain, codomain, and range of the relation. Function as a special type of the relation, pictorial representation of a function, domain, codomain, and range and function, real valued function, domain and range of the functions, constant, identity, polynomial, rational, modulus, sinum, exponential, logarithm, and greatest integer functions with their graphs. So everything in the functions chapter is included, as the functions chapter is a basic thing for your 11th and 12th class. If you are understanding the functions chapter very clearly, then others, everything is interlinked here. Everything is interlinked. So as everything is interlinked, so if you are understanding the functions only, everything will be expressed in terms of the functions only. Here answer. That's why from the functions nothing is deleted, everything is included, and these two chapters together in the term 1 will give you the 11 marks, which called sets and functions. Okay. So coming to the second unit, algebra. Algebra is 13 marks. So under the algebra, you are going to have the complex numbers and quadratic equations, sequence and series. Two chapters will be there under the algebra. Okay. So a complex numbers and quadratic equation, need for the complex numbers, especially square root of the minus 1. Yet what is the square root of the negative number? To motivate by initially to solve the sum of the quadratic equations, algebraic properties of the complex numbers, argand plane, statement of the fundamental theorem of algebra, solution to the quadratic equations with the real coefficients in a complex number system. So mostly everything is included in this. And coming to the sequence and series, sequence and series is the extension for the your arithmetic progression chapter what you learned in your 10th class. 10th class means sequence and series is this is an extension. So sequence and series includes the arithmetic progression and extra arithmetic mean, geometric progression, general term of the geometric progression, sum of the n terms of the geometric progression, infinite geometric progression, and its sum, geometric mean, relation between the arithmetic mean and geometry. These are the topics included in the sequential series. And coming to the third unit, that is coordinate geometry, which includes the only 6 marks. That is coordinate geometry, straight lines only. It is there in under the coordinate geometry. So brief recall two-dimensional geometry from earlier classes. Slope of the line and angle between the two lines, various forms of the equations of the lines parallel to the axis, point slope form, slope intercept form, 2-point form, intercept form, normal form, okay, and general equation of a line, distance of a point from the line, okay. So here parametric form of the expressing the line topic is very here, okay. So normal form is also there here. So that is the thing about the uh, coordinate geometry. Next, calculus 4 marks, statistics and probability 6 marks. So under the calculus, only the limits topic is included here. So initiative idea of the limit, limits of the polynomials and rational functions, trigonometric and exponential logarithmic functions. And next, statistics and probability. Under the statistics, measures of dispersion, range, mean, deviation, variance, and standard deviation of the ungrouped, grouped type. So statistics and probability is a unit name. Don't get confused here. Under the unit of statistics and probability, only statistics is there, term 1. Probability is entered into this term. So there will be an internal assessment. In the internal assessment, one periodic test will be conducted. So and activities will be given to you. And activity file record, you see here I am highlighting activity file record banana hai. So this is the one I think is dependent on you. And term and assessment of the activity. वो एक टर्म कंप्लीट होने के बाद at the end of the term one activity will be given to you. You need to perform that activity, and viva also will be there here. You can, and for these 5 marks and for these 5 marks, total 10 marks will be there. So activities we will discuss in it. This is the term 1 syllabus. Okay, did you understand?